Have you ever wondered what it's like to dine in a luxurious waterfront restaurant with the freshest catch from the sea gracing your plate? Picture yourself there, the soft murmur of waves lapping against the shore, the gentle caress of the sea breeze, the distant cry of gulls. These are not mere dining establishments. They are sanctuaries where the ocean and gastronomy meld into an unforgettable experience. Imagine the allure of waterfront dining, the ambience, the breathtaking views, the aroma of salt in the air. You're not just having a meal, you're embarking on a journey that begins in the vast open ocean, where the freshest of seafood begins its voyage. The magic of these places lies not just in their setting, but in the freshness of the ingredients they serve. The magic begins with the journey of the seafood right from the vast open ocean. Imagine the crack of dawn as fishermen set out to sea, their nets ready to capture the ocean's bounty. The air is crisp, the sky awash of pastel hues, and the anticipation is palpable. There's a certain magic to these early mornings, a blend of tradition and necessity that's as deep and vast as the ocean itself. The techniques employed by these fishermen are as varied as the seafood they seek. Some use lines and hooks, their hands deftly baiting and casting, while others rely on nets, sweeping expanses of woven rope that ensnare schools of fish. There are those who dive deep, prying open oysters and plucking lobsters from their rocky homes. Each method is a testament to the artistry and skill involved in the pursuit of the freshest, most delectable seafood. The ocean's bounty is vast and diverse, offering up a myriad of treasures. Delicate scallops, succulent crabs, robust tunas, and countless others are caught each day, each species requiring a unique approach and a keen eye. The fishermen know that quality is paramount, and they carefully select their catch, ensuring that only the best makes its way to land. Once the nets are hauled in and the catch is secured, the race against time begins. Seafood is at its best when it's fresh, and the journey from ocean to kitchen is a crucial one. Each catch is carefully packed, kept cool and moist to preserve its quality and flavour. Trucks, planes, and even motorcycles are enlisted in this endeavour, each playing a vital role in the swift transportation of these oceanic gems to the kitchens of luxury restaurants. In these kitchens, the catch of the day is eagerly awaited. Here, skilled chefs stand ready, their hands itching to begin the transformation. They know that the ingredients they're about to receive are more than just food. They are a connection to the ocean, a testament to the hard work of the fishermen, and a promise of the exquisite flavours to come. The catch of the day in the hands of skilled chefs is set to transform into a culinary masterpiece. In the heart of the restaurant, the kitchen, a gastronomic spectacle unfolds. Here, the role of the chefs is paramount. They are the maestros, orchestrating a symphony of flavours, textures, and aromas that define the essence of seafood cuisine. With a deep understanding of the ocean's offerings, these culinary artists paint with a palette of seafood, creating masterpieces that engage all the senses. Different cooking techniques come into play, from searing and grilling to poaching and steaming. Each method is chosen with precision, designed to draw out the unique characteristics of every fish or shellfish. The result is an array of seafood delicacies, each with its own story to tell. Around the world, seafood is a staple of countless cuisines, be it the sophisticated simplicity of Japanese sushi, the robust flavours of Mediterranean seafood stew, or the delicate elegance of French fish soups. The chefs weave in elements from various culinary traditions. This global tapestry of flavours enhances the natural taste of the seafood, while also introducing diners to new and exciting taste adventures. Central to this culinary journey is the freshness of the seafood. Chefs go to great lengths to ensure that the ocean's bounty, from the catch of the day to the most exotic delicacies, is preserved in its most authentic form. By balancing flavours and techniques, they ensure that every dish highlights the true essence of the sea. Each dish is a testament to the chef's artistry and the ocean's bounty, ready to be served in an exquisite dining setting. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the waterfront, your table awaits. Imagine a dining experience where every detail is curated for your delight. From the warm, attentive service and the artful presentation of dishes, to the taste that dances on your palate, each bite a testament to the freshest, most exquisite seafood. All of this while you overlook the very waters from where your meal was sourced. A luxurious waterfront dining experience is not just a meal, but a journey. From the heart of the ocean, through the hands of dedicated fishermen and talented chefs, to your plate. It's the taste of the sea served with a view.